INPT is set to have 4 hours sit and strike today at Kumlung. The main purpose of our 4-hour demonstration had been deliberated by our General Secretary, Mr. Jagadish Devarma. So this is our approach to the central government and the state government. We want to tell them Tripura should not be of their own will only. In Tripura we live together harmoniously for centuries together. But today we find the present government composed of IPFT and BJP are trying to uproot the existence of tribals, the indigenous population, by doing something which will uproot the interests of our indigenous population. Therefore, we have already set 5-6 points of our demand, inclusive of this earlier timely conducting election to PTIDC, simultaneously to hold election of the village council, following the provision of 6th schedule of the constitution, as the rest of the northeastern states are following the same. Exceptionally in Tripura, they are violating by denying the right of our indigenous population. Today, to mark our agony, INPT is set to have 4-hour demonstration. We will be soon dispatching our desire and our application to the Union Government of Road and Transport Department, requesting in the department to continue with the original plan of the alignment of the National Highway 44A. So if it is not done, we will organize blockage in that particular area. Very shortly, we will also have our deputation to District Magistrate and Collector of Dholai District. So therefore, we want to say very genuinely, we are not after any opportunity, any benefit, but we want to put our Tripura in order so that our indigenous population are not deprived. If it is made to deprive our people, then INPT will stand firmly to oppose any kind of move undertaken by the state government. So these are the following demands we are setting today, and you, being very learned, very young journalists and press media, should have some more empathetic approach for the people, those who are viewing your channels, so that the channel will carry our view, our voice, and many thousands and thousands of them are there, those who are floating their mind of their will. But they should involve themselves according to their own willness. But people are not coming onward to follow up their desire also. We are inviting, welcoming each and every indigenous people of different ages, different groups, be it professionally different, but we have to stand firmly together to preserve our right on our own soil, because we have already experienced, and this present government, unfortunately, every calendar year they are supplying almost 40,000 of ration card, Aadhaar card, and some other documents also to the people who are coming from Bangladesh. So why they should do it? They are blaming former government by doing this, that. But what they are doing today, you can straightway ask them what they are doing in their 3 years, almost 3 years. So what they have done for their own people, they are doing their government job, and they are not ready to sacrifice their position and their financial benefit. INPT is not like that. We are already sacrificing everything. Therefore, we will take up issues which would hamper our existence in our own state. So my dear young generation, we will again invite, appeal to every section, every walk of people, those who are setting their mind, your mind, for positive, democratic way of movement. We should learn, and we have to change the people, those who are occupying today, not allowing the effectiveness of other people, those who want to bring development of our own state, in education also, in services also, in commercial also, in transportation also. Everywhere we are very systematically deprived, and we are not able to enter into all this business. So today we are grateful for the response of the people, those who have come here, and our entire executive setup, and central leaders and sub-divisional leaders, elected members, chairmen are here, and because all these opinion of the people, we are daring to go ahead with our demands. Let there be various numbers of resistance, but we will resist any upcoming step of the government which will hamper our existence. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless.